Have you ever pondered the hidden secrets behind achieving extraordinary wealth and success? What if I told you that the key lies not in complex strategies or relentless hustle, but in the simple mastery of language? Welcome to a realm where the words we choose wield unimaginable power, where every phrase becomes a beacon for the manifestation of our wildest dreams. In today's video, we unravel the profound teachings of Neville Goddard, a pioneer in the art of manifestation. Join me on a journey where we uncover the transformative potential of words and how, once harnessed correctly, they have the astonishing ability to pave the path to manifesting millions. Manifestation goes beyond wishful thinking. It's about crafting a reality that mirrors your deepest desires and intentions. It's based on the principle that our thoughts shape our reality, a key concept emphasized by Neville Goddard. By focusing on specific, powerful words and phrases, you can set the universe's wheels in motion. Your subconscious mind acts like fertile soil, ready to nurture whatever seeds you plant. Words are not just for communication. They are the seeds that grow into the realities of our lives. Neville Goddard often spoke about the influence of our subconscious impressions. When we infuse our words with emotion and belief, these impressions can manifest as tangible realities. Think of each word as a brushstroke on the canvas of your life, capable of creating a masterpiece of experiences. To manifest effectively, you must first have absolute clarity about what you desire. This doesn't mean a vague outline of your dreams. It requires a detailed, vivid vision. Imagine your desires vividly, using rich, evocative words that create strong images and stir emotions. This detailed visualization not only enriches your vision, but also aligns your emotional and mental energies towards manifestation. Doubt and fear are major obstacles to manifestation. Neville emphasized the power of faith in our imaginative acts. Transform your limiting beliefs with a vocabulary that empowers and supports your manifesting goals, turning obstacles into stepping stones toward your desires. One effective strategy to combat these barriers is through affirmations that directly address and counteract them. For example, if you struggle with doubt, use affirmations like, "I trust in my ability to manifest my desires," or "I am confident in the universe." Recite these affirmations with conviction and visualize them as already true. It's also important to identify specific words that trigger negative emotions or disbelief and replace them with empowering alternatives. Instead of saying, "I can't," say, "I am learning how." This subtle shift in language can significantly change your mindset, moving from limitation to growth and potential. Setting intentions goes beyond making wishes. It's about aligning your deepest purposes with the universal flow. Use language that reflects this alignment. Drawing on Neville's insights into the law of assumption, use phrases that help you let go of attachment to outcomes, focusing on your true intentions without fixating on how they unfold. To align effectively with the universe, use language that fosters a deep connection with its forces. Phrases like "I am in harmony with the universe" or "my intentions are aligned with the greater good" can be powerful. These phrases reinforce the idea that you are co-creating with the universe, not working against the natural flow of life. It's also beneficial to use language that promotes openness to receiving. Phrases such as, "I am open to all the blessings the universe has to offer," or "I welcome abundant possibilities into my life," set a tone of receptivity. This is crucial because often our internal resistance can block the very outcomes we seek to manifest. By integrating these transformative words into your daily practice, you reinforce your commitment to your goals, while staying aligned with the dynamic, ever-giving energy of the universe. This approach not only aligns with Neville Goddard's teachings, but also enhances your ability to manifest by creating a rich linguistic environment that supports your deepest desires and aspirations. Since we're discussing the power of words and how to use them to communicate with the universe, let's try these powerful affirmations. For example, "I'm so happy and grateful that I'm more productive than ever." Saying this affirmation daily helps you align your actions with the goal of being more productive. "I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm making $5,000 a month." This affirmation helps you focus on financial abundance and opens your mind to opportunities that can help you reach this goal. I'm so happy and grateful that I'm the healthiest version of myself. Health is a critical aspect of our lives, and affirming this helps you make choices that support your health and well-being. I'm so happy and grateful that my relationships have never been better, and that I'm the best parent and spouse I can be. Focusing on relationships helps you nurture and strengthen your connections with loved ones, ensuring that your interactions are positive and fulfilling. The power of these affirmations lies in their positivity and specificity. When you state them, feel the emotions they evoke. Visualize the reality they describe as if it's already happening. This practice creates a strong emotional connection to your desires, making them more likely to manifest. Use these affirmations regularly, and you'll notice a shift in your mindset and eventually in your reality. Sorry for the interruption, but here's a game changer. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Don't waste any time. Click that link and get ready for some eye-opening insights into wealth. Now, let's get back into the video. Personalize this for your own journey. I'd love to hear your personalized statements. Your positive energy matters to me, and I eagerly await reading your comments. So please leave a comment below with your own "I'm so happy and grateful" statement. Personalization is a powerful tool in the journey of self-improvement and manifestation. By creating a personalized statement, you align your affirmations more closely with your specific experiences, desires, and emotions. This tailored approach enhances the emotional resonance and effectiveness of your affirmations. Sharing these statements can also build a sense of community and mutual support. When you leave a comment with your personalized "I'm so happy and grateful" statement, it not only reinforces your own positive beliefs, but also inspires others. Your unique perspective can motivate and encourage fellow travelers on their paths, fostering a collective atmosphere of positivity and growth. Limiting beliefs are often the biggest barrier to manifestation. They are the internal scripts that tell us what we can't do, what we don't deserve, or what is impossible for us. Neville Goddard's teachings encourage us to transcend these beliefs by replacing them with empowering convictions that align with our true desires. This transformation isn't about denying our doubts, but actively rewriting the narratives that shape our reality. Limiting beliefs act as invisible barriers that hinder our progress and potential. These deeply ingrained thoughts can originate from childhood experiences, societal conditioning, or past failures. They manifest as doubts about our capabilities, worth, or possibilities, effectively trapping us in a self-imposed prison of limitations. Neville Goddard, a renowned teacher of metaphysical concepts, emphasizes the power of imagination and belief in shaping our reality. According to Goddard, by consciously cultivating new positive beliefs that reflect our deepest desires, we can overwrite the old limiting narratives. This process requires consistent effort and a willingness to confront and dismantle our ingrained doubts. The first step in transforming limiting beliefs is to identify them. These beliefs may come from past experiences, societal inputs, or internal fears. Common limiting beliefs include thoughts like "I am not good enough," "I don't deserve success," or "real happiness is not attainable for me." It's essential to acknowledge these beliefs and understand how they influence our actions and mindset. Identification is crucial in the journey of overcoming limiting beliefs. These beliefs often operate subconsciously, influencing our decisions and behaviors without our awareness. By bringing them to light, we can begin to understand their origins and impacts. Reflect on moments of self-doubt or times when you felt held back. Consider the societal messages and personal experiences that have contributed to these beliefs. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward change. Understanding that these beliefs are learned rather than inherent opens the door to the possibility of unlearning and replacing them. Once identified, challenge these beliefs. Ask yourself, is this belief true? What evidence supports or contradicts it? Can I think of instances where this belief was proven wrong? This process involves critically examining these beliefs and understanding that they are not truths but perceptions that can be changed. Challenging limiting beliefs involves a methodical process of questioning and re-evaluation. Start by scrutinizing the validity of these beliefs. Often you will find that they lack a solid foundation and are based on distorted perceptions rather than facts. Seek out evidence that contradicts these beliefs by recalling instances where you succeeded or received positive feedback. By actively seeking out counterexamples, you begin to dismantle the false narratives that have held you back. This critical examination helps in realizing that these limiting beliefs are not immutable truths, but subjective opinions that can be reshaped. Neville Goddard's approach is based on the idea that you are the creator of your reality. Craft new empowering beliefs by defining what you truly desire and then creating affirmations that support those desires. For example, transform "I am not good enough" into "I am fully capable and worthy of my dreams." These new beliefs should be stated in the present tense and repeated often to embed them deeply into your subconscious. Embracing Neville Goddard's philosophy, we recognize our inherent power to shape our experiences through our beliefs and imagination. To craft new, empowering beliefs, start by clearly defining your desires and envisioning the life you want to live. Create affirmations that reflect these desires, framed in a positive and present tense format. For instance, change "I am not good enough" to "I am fully capable and worthy of my dreams." Repetition is key to embedding these affirmations into your subconscious. Regularly repeating these new beliefs helps to replace the old, limiting ones, gradually transforming your mindset and aligning your reality with your aspirations. Through persistence and belief, you can manifest the life you truly desire. Words hold tremendous power to reshape our inner mindset. Employ transformational language that exudes positivity and empowerment. For instance, rather than using phrases that suggest struggle like "I must fight to succeed," opt for phrases that suggest ease and natural flow, such as "success comes to me effortlessly." This shift in vocabulary reinforces the belief that success is being drawn to you by the universe, rather than something you must battle for. Visualization is a potent tool for embedding new beliefs. It's not sufficient to merely articulate your new beliefs. You must also visualize them as actual scenarios. Imagine yourself experiencing the success, happiness, or fulfillment you seek. Engaging emotionally in this process makes these visualized outcomes feel achievable and real. Sensing the joy, pride, or peace associated with your desires helps integrate these new beliefs into your identity. Transforming beliefs is not an instantaneous process. It demands consistency and repetition. Neville Goddard highlighted the significance of persistent assumption, continually living as if your wishes are already fulfilled. This involves regularly practicing affirmations, engaging in positive visualization, and consistently choosing empowering words and thoughts. Another crucial aspect is selecting the right environment and community. This can profoundly influence your mindset, behavior, and ability to manifest your desires. Surrounding yourself with positivity not only reinforces your new beliefs, but also provides ongoing motivation and encouragement. Creating an environment that supports your new beliefs involves more than just your physical surroundings. It also encompasses the media you consume and the habits you develop daily. Curate your living and working spaces to reflect your aspirations. For example, if you're focused on abundance, keep symbols of prosperity around you, such as healthy plants, artwork depicting wealth, or books about financial success. Pay attention to your digital environment as well. Follow influencers, join online groups, and subscribe to content that aligns with your new mindset. Whether it's podcasts, YouTube channels, or social media accounts, ensure that what you consume digitally supports your positive beliefs and aspirations. The people you regularly interact with can significantly impact your belief system. Engage with communities where members share similar goals and values. This might mean joining local clubs, attending workshops, or participating in online forums dedicated to personal development and manifestation. Within these communities, actively seek relationships with individuals who embody the qualities you aspire to. Mentors and peers who already live by the beliefs you are adopting can provide invaluable insights and real-life evidence that your goals are attainable. Their stories and support can serve as powerful affirmations that bolster your resolve and reinforce your new beliefs. Active participation is essential to making the most of your chosen community. Attend meetings, engage in discussions, and volunteer for roles that allow you to grow and affirm your new beliefs. Through active involvement, you not only reinforce your own transformation, but also inspire others, creating a positive feedback loop that strengthens the community. Regular feedback and affirmation from your community can significantly accelerate the transformation process. Constructive feedback helps you refine your approach and deepen your understanding of how to effectively manifest your desires. Positive affirmations from others solidify your belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Remember that transformation is a journey, not a destination. Continuously reassess your progress, celebrate your achievements, and adjust your strategies as needed. Your beliefs, actions, and environment will evolve as you continue to grow and manifest your desires. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey into the power of words and manifestation, inspired by the teachings of Neville Goddard. As we've explored the transformative potential of language, we've learned that manifesting millions isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about crafting a reality that mirrors your deepest desires and intentions. By mastering the art of language, we unlock the ability to shape our reality and pave the path to abundance and success. I encourage you to integrate the wisdom shared in this video into your daily life. Practice affirmations, visualize your desires, and surround yourself with positivity to align with the universe's abundant energy. Remember, transformation is a journey that requires consistency, belief, and a supportive community. Share your personalized affirmations and experiences in the comments below. Your journey and insights may inspire others on their path to manifestation. Together, let's continue to empower ourselves and each other as we manifest our dreams and create the lives we truly desire. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and manifestation. Thank you for being a part of this community, and until next time, may your words be a beacon of light guiding you toward your greatest aspirations. Remember, you have the power to manifest millions, and it all starts with the words you choose.